What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So, I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys and people. Boy, she bought a mouth busting, you know, and him chat something more while, you know. And me, I wonder how him know them something here. You see me? It look like say she bought a sneakingly. I want to look how your man, you know, my people. You see me? It look like say yo certain situation him analyze it a way where we not look on it a way them. You see me? So do let me say this, or somebody are give him information. Me know same having people up on the internet. You know what I mean? We are give him information with upon him life on a regular scene. But the way him woman situation, my people, she bother say a 1 month now since the woman move out of the house. You see me I say? And it look like the woman move out her things them out of the house to my people. So who I hear what she bother say about that. Also my people, Roger situation with him friend. Boy my people, yo that thing you look like it a get from bad to worse. So the woman where the man married seen expose a voice note to the Roger promise the youth, you know, and I promise him really promise him, you know. I promise him, but it's a stronger word for promise. You make him know say anyhow him make him Roger feel the type of way. You know what I mean? What am I gonna do? You see me I say, me I make you not hear it, my people. And you know, I don't know when I go get from that, but more to the left on the opinion in the comment section, because Roger and him gifter that are the woman with the youth married to, them kick off. You see me I say, them I say who I tell lie and who and one bag of something. All me have to tell that boy say him corner dark if that woman they turn him back on her, if that woman they turn her back on him. So if you make sure say him a do the right thing to keep that woman there. That's what me I say, because right away Roger I go say he's an ungrateful youth certain way, you know what I mean? And then the woman who him used to talk to, she worse now go and see him. So upon a level my people, him kinda dark if the woman they turn her back on him. So him have to know what him a do. See? So as me say, me I go make you hear that. Also Brit and Zozo my people, and Zozo get in to his mother-in-law right now, that a Brit mother. You see me I say, a be a reasoning she and Zozo are going with. You know what I mean? Cause you can hear him on the phone with her when Brit I do a match with the cat woman. So we are going to hear that, my people. What Zozo and the mother talk about, you know what I mean? And you are going to hear how much picnic Brit says she want. Because Brit ready to start a family with the dog, you know. Boy, my people, yo, who do feel like say Brit and the dog could have bring forward a nice, decent family? Me feel so still, you know, but guess what? Guess what I go happen? He must go work overtime. Yeah. He must go work overtime to keep the family structure together. You see me I say, but when it come to like learning and them something there, me feel say Brit have the part they lack. Cause Brit seems intelligent, you know what I mean? She have, you know what I mean, look at education. So me feel like when it come to that, she can direct the youth them in another way. But when it come to organization and structure certain way, and you know what I mean, him have to go do that. So these are some of the things we have to share with the people. Maybe add more things as we go on. I don't know if me left off nothing, but make we get in with people.
So when Nessa Purple did that talk about I never lie, then you see how things prove. You see, Roger, you have a sister, but come here. If you set up the boy for rinse out the woman because it's a partnership or something when you do on a regular, why is it now that when Nessa Bling did come and talk, say X, Y, and Z, why you did that talk, say a lie? I saw you set up the girl for man name them out. I never like that boy, yo. And Nessa Purple, I say, oh, Nessa Bling. Nesabling, you see how things can prove. Whether it take 10 years or 50 years, you see how things are going to prove itself. And that's why I say, me not to sit down and argue with nobody and make no correction about the whole situation. Whoever feel bad over when I say about how we are Nisha, who no come suck me. You understand me? Me not correct myself. Because you see later on in your life, things are gonna prove itself. You remember when Nesabling did come and talk, say Raja XYZ is somewhere Raja do. You saw Raja feel free enough to come talk, say we make a link for say we're gonna name out the woman and blah blah blah. Why nobody couldn't say when Nesabling attack say it was true? Una some wicked set of dirty germs on the app, and that's why I sit down and me a wait, because you say one day in a life you're gonna hear for evil. Oh, we come back and talk, say Nisha is not a good girl and enough things him have to put up with her. And we now go side with Nisha. You know what I say? Nisha is a wicked, dirty drunk girl. Me a waiting. We never say I saw some girl stay. We never say a family make some girl a treatment. So me a wait pan the whole of you. Me say me still get so me a waiting. Me a wait. You think a joke? The truth always come out. Always come out. 1 month you say your woman. You know say your woman. And your woman in the hospital and a dinner you says month and you know say her. You understand me? Number 2, your living condition look empty, like Nisha move out. Your living condition, it look austere, like Nisha move out. It look austere, like the child just move out. So most of the stuff, me not tell no lie. People not see your surrounding. How you doing your videos now? We're not seeing any wider shot or long shots. We're seeing close up. People not see them, some of them. Yeah? You not see that? You not see that? Say the surrounding look empty. The surrounding look missing. Nobody not see that. Nobody not, you see, that's why I say when then people sit down on the app and just mix up. Some I don't know if they talk about certain stuff because we don't know look. The place look austere. I'm like, what? You can't do it and girl and them man kick off and them man want be peacemaker. Me know them somewhere there. Just like how Chrissy used to paint a good picture for CMR. When you go watch back the video, the camera up in her face like every piece of thing for Nisha gone. So guess what? Hi! Say get a life, yeah. Hey, hey! You don't know, say, oh, we go back for the baby for Nisha come back. Oh, we go back for the baby for Nisha come back. This no need no pastor. This no need no preacher. Oh, we go back for the baby for Nisha come back. That's why oh we have the baby so Nisha come back because she go want her child. Me not ask you. Oh, me not ask you no. Oh, he is a deceiver. If you not see your baby mother for a month and she lock you out of the hospital a month and add, right? You go back for the baby just in case when she come out now, you have to torture the girl for put her back on the app because Anisha make you really make the money. That is why you come with a story that seems so plausible and depressing to the app. Of course, Nisha love her picnic, that's why I go back for the baby. Turn on the camera. Say if Nisha there the family yard still after she come out of the hospital, it'll go look bad for Nisha. Why is she ignoring her baby? A postpartum depression. He make sure ignore her baby. Oh God, Nisha, come on man, snap out of it. Oh, we alone and struggle with the baby. Go visit the baby. Oh, we can't paint no picture. Oh, we can't paint no picture. Yes, okay, you done Saddami. Me not tell you no lie. Yeah, manipulation for sure. Wanna not check the levels. If the child leave a month now, right? Cause you have to keep the image as if they're twice. Alright. If the child leave a month now, right? And the child lock you to the hospital, how long has she been in the hospital? True or false? Cause it's a month she their family yard for. So how long she been in the hospital? 4. Let's say 2 weeks. Can we just put that? Me just put that valid. So it's month and half she lock you out for. You get what I say? So as you go for the baby now, you click the like just in case when she ready to come out. So you know exactly what wrong with Nisha and how far Nisha.
So my people, enough time me see things go on social media and especially TikTok, and me see she wanna come talk about it and the things them what him say. You see when I say them come to pass. You know what I mean? It look like say why as me say him have people who give him information. So maybe people give me information and just talk like him analyze the situation and come up with where the conclusion. You see me? But him always have like a point and it shows a boy a real thing later on. You understand what I say? So like even this a situation, I mean even did I analyze and I say this youth you have a phone up in him face pan a regular when him attack. Oh no see how him up in the camera. You understand him no really a show the place like that. You see it? So it look like see a long time problem in the relationship. Yeah, she bother wants to say I think it's a month since the woman gone from the yard. Is it? And when me I hear them or something, I come to think of it as on a level still me no watch them like that, but me glimpse them. So sometimes I see them in the kitchen and I go on with themselves and you know what I mean? Me always see she look on him certain way and you know what I mean? It never look too like them really into each other like that. But me used to say maybe I just saw them part. You know what I mean? Maybe I just saw them part. But in hindsight, you know, me I see say them never really get along good. You see me? And that they did have issues. And that the stepmother they know my people. When me hear come on the internet and I say some things, you know. You see like oh maybe them have them little issue because there's no relationship without even a little issue. You know what I mean? Big woman thing. You have to have some motive for meet 1 and 2 times in a relationship. You know have to get lower than boisterous, you know, but you can't meet. You see it? But this a woman here, the stepmother, look like say she, you know what I mean? I one of the person where we try to influence her if we left him. That's my opinion that still, me can't be wrong, you know what I mean? So we can watch some more.
Is you understand me on a road to recovery. So when Nisha come out now, you're gonna ring her phone and tell her say the baby, oh Nisha, what you know? Oh Nisha, what you know? Come to Nisha. And you never care the baby go down on the parents them yard, go give to the mother. You know, say they never care the baby go down there. No, you know why? Because you fabricate a story already and say when you go down there, them inside and now answer you. Now my question is, why would the father of the child come and the baby father come and the family I reject the father when the father really want. If you go look about Nisha, which is their daughter, why would they ignore that aspect of him? You understand me? That no make no sense to me. If you are go to an hospital to my daughter and you go look about her, the most me can do is giving a vexation, but me happy in my heart that you're standing up to be a man. So the argument did not sit well. It just don't make no sense to me, and for me to make no sense to me, it don't make no sense. Sad to say, it just don't make no sense. You get what I say? So why you have the baby attached to the internet and go like say a poor relief center? Since you love your mama so much, why not carry the baby go give your mama to look after the baby until Nisha come back home? Why you not do that? Why you have the baby? I work the baby on the app. Da da dee da da do. We just asked him something here now. So you see, you perform a slight case of child's labor. Exactly. We understand same isolator from our family. We understand all of that. We're not talking about that now. What we're talking about is actions. You get what I say? You come, you paint the family them bad for one. You come and you talk to Nisha down our family them for 1 month now. You understand me? You want it to seem like it's sickness. Okay, so over the next break, you make it seem like it's the family that influence Nisha. Make up your mind if she's sick or she's under influence of the family. Just ask him. Just ask him. Why you take the baby and strain yourself? Why not give it to your mother? She never grow you properly. You not trust her with kids. You're not stressing her more because she do a lot. We haven't seen she do anything for you. So we don't know if you're sick and she pay your medical bills. That much we're not privy to. You understand me? Because from we know you're always on the app. So what your mother do for you? And from we know you always look poorly. So what your mother do for you? She gave birth. She bring you without cigarette and alcohol. Fine. So what you mean she do all that? You're too lie. You're too wicked and lie. You still say anything besides from the fact for make Nisha look good. You want you alone to look good. All on the picnic sick bed, you're still not giving your baby mother any credit. All I know me not hear you say, Nisha mother try still, you know. Nisha mother try, and Nisha sister look after when me can't make it. I don't hear you say that, Owie. And I don't hear you say when your sister go down there go be a Nisha. I don't hear you say your mother go down there go be a Nisha. And these are the stuff people not listening to on the internet. I don't hear. We don't hear none of your family go look for Nisha Alan. No! So if Nisha family them eat you, your family them eat Nisha too. Me now ask you. Nisha family them alone, they want to put down and get chastisement. You concerned, you know. And none of your family don't go look at your baby mother, soon to be wife, who don't want to go Panama together. None of your, I don't hear you say your sister go look for or your mother, or your grandmother, or your grandfather. I don't hear. And it is serious. So you see, when you expose on yourself without exposing on yourself. If you isolate Nisha from her family, you must have one of your family that take care of Nisha and a back up Nisha. One of your family must rap with Nisha. So why is it one of your family not down there and run up and down with you? Why is it that you alone? Let me just say that. Why is it that you alone? Hey, Owe, why is it cool if you come over here and come help you take care of picnic? Why your mother never come? Why your sister never come? Why your brother never come, Owe? Since when everybody else said, me a kick a man when he's down, me a kick a man when he a tell lie, when he a play wicked. So you see, you're not only pressuring Nisha, you're pressuring Nisha's family also. In the same breath, they have every reason for eat you, because we not see none of your siblings, none of your family, them are run behind Nisha. We not see none of them. All we see is rank as I run behind you. Where your family them they away? We never see when his mother and sister help wash Nisha clothes, cause him same have Nisha clothes them for wash. So don't come to me with that and don't make my class, yo. You hear? Don't make my class, yo. Make we go off away and say, and what we see. So when you say mother and sister wash Nisha clothes, me never know say her clothes them are laid. Two people have to wash them. All heap of clothes in a garbage bag, them nasty. All heap of clothes in a garbage bag, them nasty. Me not ask you. So, when I understand me attack, if all heap of clothes in a garbage bag, that's simple. Come here! That simple means say, when Owie and Nisha depend the line, and Owie a go like him a wash up plate and a help cook, he's not doing shit. Make it make sense. Make, come, make it make sense. Them have machine. Them have machine. So you see the girl pan a C-section if you wash, cook and clean. Come here. Make me own a reason. How Nisha fit in a hospital for 1 month and hold heap of clothes in a machine. Make it make sense. So cocky individuals.
Hey, my people, them thing how she bought us still, you know. John know it paint a messed up picture of how it's still, you know, my people. Cause this show, like say this youth here, is a F up individual, you know. And him just put on a show whenever the camera's on. But after the camera turn off, him a one of the worst person in the world. I saw it look to me. Me wanna know what Uno think how it look to Uno. You see me I say? Cause boy him come and say some things and maybe him did try pretty it up for him look good and the female and her family them look bad. But at the end of the day look like say him are the bad guy.
Somebody call the girl in the lean glasses, see me. Somebody for look on Owie and tell him go suck him mother. Somebody for look on Owie and tell him go suck your mother youth. How if you have months of dirty clothes and you have washing machine with the internet buy you? And you have months of dirty clothes and then every day you turn on a live and live a lie. You dance when she cook you wash up plate. If the spoon use you wash it. And you know you're not doing that off camera. So all you have months of dirty clothes. Where that do fight for Nisha? Everybody sit down, oh my God. That's why I tell you, say, me can't handle pity. Me can't handle pity. Number one, you know, a 1 month Nisha don't have family and you have dirty clothes in there. So if Nisha gonna leave dirty clothes, why you never throw them in the machine little? Why you never wash your clothes so Nisha dirty clothes they make you go get her family? So even though the girl in the hospital, you wait for her recovery, for come back, come take up the handiwork, or we me that throw some piss in your face. Me not ask you, me that dash some piss in your face, or we for show. So you are wait for Nisha for come back for do housework. I tell you that every day say when I see Nisha sometimes she just gone to down the life and him a poke her for be happy. When him know him a abuse the child physically, mentally, psychologically, emotionally, all of them with the pussy on through. You can imagine? Nisha gonna have nervous breakdown. That's why you come attack so she hallucinate. You know what you're doing. Nothing good and wrong with her as pregnancy wise. The child gonna have nervous breakdown. Peace out, my mama. I never see this yet. Nisha there with a lazy boy. Nisha there with a lazy dirty boy. One lazy dirty boy. Nisha there with one lazy dirty boy. Me say when me hear how we come and talk how much work him put in on the app, and the whole of it there you get things for free. Nisha lay down different from Owie. Nisha lay down like a working class woman. She lay down so. Sometimes you see her, you see the little girl shiner than Owie. Shiner than Owie. Shiner than Owie. Enough time me watch her. You see the girl can hardly go. And then after she done cook, she have to dip on live for hours. All because you want her on live. All because you will put her out. Can you build the place? That is why she move out. Nobody now look through it, so. The child is exhausted. She needs a vacation. She needs a break from you and motherhood, and she's just a mom. You make the child cook extreme. She me so come off, good one. Me so come off. You make the exhaust the child. You make the child feel weak. You have the child like a piece of prop.
So people, me never did look for Owie that type of way. Me not telling you no lie. Me never did look for him so. But Mr. look on the G away, you know. But you are going with people. You see in life you can't jump to conclusion, you know, no matter how whatever a person I say about another person sounds so true and convincing, you still have to take it with a grain of salt and don't believe everything you hear about a person. You know what I mean? Until you prove it for yourself or you get hard proof say yes, that's how it go. You understand me? But if him have dirty clothes and all different type of things pile up at the yard, it's like a woman him a wait to come back, come clean up and do all of these things. And you have some country boy, you know, cause country you grow up. You see me I say? So he maybe have the mentality say a woman for do certain things. You know me I say? Boy, I tell them people, if a girl feel them type of pressure, they still if him a pressure like that, well, She need to cut and left him, simple as that. Let me know when you think we watch some more.
From them chop out the whole of Nisha belly. She have to dip on her foot. From the child of our C-section, before the child of our C-section, you have the child on her feet. You can imagine the child a breathe, she a cook, she a wash, she a clean. And if push come to shove, you're gonna get the amount of things where you did in the house and Anisha alone shine. She is tired. The child just have baby C-section and you want grind. There's a ring good ass.
You would want to have a baby with Zozo?
Yeah.
Because it drip shape good man. Oh my God. Guys, brick shape good enough? I said brick body broad, so shape good.
No, I don't take the medication. I'm not going right home.
Oh, she shape good. The bloody clot. Chat triple chat. Chat triple.
I'm not taking the job.
You couldn't find me. What make? Send me some up on the trip in a baby, beg you some up on the trip in a regal. Guys, love boo, beg you some up on the triple. Yeah, my new page. It's a brick shape, good, brick look good, brick nice. Brick your shape nice. You look really good. So what you say now? You're ready to have kids with Zozo?
Yes.
So how much you would want? 2, 3?
What about 15 of them?
What? 15 kids with 15 baby?
Hello?
Guys, one anna chat. One anna chat. Or 3 donut. Chat 3 donut chat. Debs. Chat TTC chat 1 anna 3 donut. 3 donut chat. 3 donut. 2 more.
Can I say something? Hold on. Can you hear me? From Sunday, I bring her by the house Sunday, I bring her up Sunday to go do what she has to do. And she go, I don't
No, I don't want no more kids. I have 2.
So, when I bring her up on the Sunday, I told her to take her to
Guys, 2 more donut, 2 more rolls. Guys, a stitch boss, beg you, anart no please.
she find me there. She was her to what she thought that she had to do by the time we will come up with the book after we come back from. So, I was telling her I need to bring her home to get her something. But I want to go up there, but I'm not going to go by the house now. But I'm willing to bring her by the house again now. But I don't know.
No, I'm about $1 million. That be real. How much you want? About 1 billion? my medication, so hands over the go off now, go to the house, take medication. I'm not figuring out if you don't want to. I'm going to live now. I'm going to live now, go watch me also. Even if I'm done now over TikTok, so when I put I'm your time. Share it, man. No, so let me to the baby. But I am new to the baby. Maybe you talk to your mom. Yeah.
Don't want to hear your phone clearly.
Me know, man. Me know, brother.
Yeah, because it's soon time for me to take my medications.
Okay. So you're going home to take your medications?
I have to take my medications very serious or they're going to try to put me back there. So I got to make sure I take my medications.
Okay.
One thing we notice, my people, you see when Britta runs Zozo, she don't want left. You see me I say? She love him company and that shows say she feel secure, she feel love when she around him, you know what I mean? Like yeah, this is the right person for her. You see me? But Brit, we say yo, Brit more slick to you know my people. So we have more to share with Uno with Brit and Zozo cause Zozo say must go collect money and the people them hold up the money and he might tell the people, he might say ask Brit, see Brit, yeah, Brit did it with me. We don't want to hear Brit. 7 people. Me are going to hear. Me are going to hear Brit say. So we could move, we could go and watch someone.
Guys, come on chat, tap up the screen. Promise. Guys, beg on some taps no please. We're not anart. Anart, me can't beg you one money gun please. Kill is like your pussy tongue, them will drop a ground and grab up dirt. No, stop biting the card. God, and Brit says she wants 15, you know. Imagine if Brit understands the baby no easy to deal with. I'm just there one bite up everything. Let me stop. She want my shopping card. Yeah, man, brother. Later. No, not even focus. Give her a cold tea drink. She don't want it. As it cool and it water and it melt out. She don't want it. Banana crackers. So woman sexy, you know? You say woman body cock up and woman shape good. Good.
Cock up in anything she in.
Nigga, she look good. 3 more roast chat. 3 more roast. Rep. My side, 2 more roast. 2 more. 1 more roast chat.
The pussy and the fire girl cool it.
Yeah, back, the good. Rep.
Rep for the boom boom.
Miss Dave,
Rep.
you come on chat, use the triple chat.
Chat, they're gonna something upon the tripper.
Guys, use the triple chat. Triple.
Number 101, go chat. No land.
Come
I can't say no like
on, wheel no chat, wheel him.
Chat, they're gonna want pussy no, please. Chat, they're gonna. Yeah, I'm going to bring her for sure. Chat, they're gonna something with the chat upon the tripper, please. They're gonna something upon the tripper.
Chat, cause Zozo they behind me, Zozo want to take me down.
Chat, they're gonna something upon the tripper.
Use the triple.
Girl, only can shoot for the
triple chat.
One P moms them. One P moms them over there.
Shoot for the triple.
Moms them can shoot.
Guys, shoot for the triple chat. Shoot for the triple.
Guys, no wheel.
Money gun chat. Wheel. Money gun wheel. Triple chat.
At one point,
baby Chrissy.
We over here.
See you're pretty, so you want to buy me dinner, babe?
Jeffy, I no wheel. Cause you ever seen the wheel, I no wheel, Jeffy. I no wheel, my dragon.
Guys, come on a chat. Guys, one of the far friends Zozo and Zozo they write a number 19, media 18. Come on chat, Zozo try to. We can't make Zozo pass it. I'm a brother, but he can't pass it. So we have to fight for you up there.
Come in, chat.
Just look at Annie and to come out and because she loud and you call it? They just said, you know what? I'm gonna pick on Annie. This one come out. I like you, Annie. And because Annie don't have any. Once a man said they like Annie don't realize and said. And the thing is Annie just don't want to be with her own age group. It's only the kids them. She wanna be with the young boys them.
Suppose all boy drink Guinness and it stay in our fridge.
No, I'm not talking about sex alone.
I should want to give them fancy and
Roger, I'm not talking about sex alone. I'm talking about give the younger folks, like our children and the younger, a break and just, be a woman or a mature woman and, stay away from all them little picky something. Or she wouldn't be all this dragging back and forth.
Before Foxy continue, Roger, one question. Who over here call and the pitney there or?
Who said that?
I thought only them running live attack. I say, oh yeah, call the pitney my or? Oh Roger, not for this. I mean, no, listen for the rest of it.
She can't be
nobody over here.
Listen, I believe she can use her mouth and beat up everyone.
Well, on the Foxy, pause the mix up. Let me talk. Let me hear. Make your screen recording and catch my voice. Because Roger never did. And we start the conversation. Roger never bring up nothing about nothing. Why we not have this idea so everybody want clout alpha uno? It is on the internet, so people going to talk about it, and we come to the person and have a discussion. No,
we'll continue. We not pay them no mind.
Exactly, because Annie and her big mouth. Who you think Annie is a what? What is Annie think she's the superior of Tictonia? No, she's not. She could sit down with her little cranny self. Yeah. She's gonna sit down and teach some things about herself.
But nobody was classing her child. Nobody, them two.
No.
Nobody.
Because Annie just believe in that she can bully. And she hear anything, she run out like a bully. She can't bully me. Annie can't bully me.
Alright, Miss
Lee. Lick down and slap down. Can't bully me. I'm talking the truth. Is what I see. I'm not making up stories.
Alright, me not gonna tell her which age man fit take, because what if young boy makes you feel our age?
I am not talking about
exactly
men. I've been talking about having men. I'm talking about she she is she's a mature woman. Sometimes she used to leave the kids them, leave the youngsters them alone, and act in a mature way, set an example so that our kids them can look up and say, you know, mommy, I be like that, you know, I'm not supposed to do that. And the kids them wouldn't have man all everywhere them have man, and they know where them gone up down. She's sending them. Because she knew Mika was over by Jayden.
He's trying to turn them into a prostitute.
Yeah, she knew Mika was there because I saw it on the live when she was putting them together. She knew Mika was over there. Then someone was talking. I was on their live, and this gentleman says, I saw little Mika. She's small. I saw her over Portmore by a park named Phoenix Park because I've never been there. And I knew. And then now she come again and with her more because she's not remembering what she's talking. Yeah, and when Mika they gone over there, whatever, that time she was up by police. And when Mika over there, and I talked to Mika, and I said, you sure? And Mika said, yes. She knew Mika was there, and said she didn't know. She's a liar. She's a pathetical liar. A pathological liar. Lie and twist of people.
Alright people, so let me know what you think in the comment section. I'm gonna ask another question here. Saying Mika or that more I know. Cause if she big enough for your old school and them something there, she big enough to make her decision. Cause the lion man I look at you the same way. You know what I mean? I'm not a big man like that. So if you want to start a relationship, me not see nothing wrong with it. As long as them reach, you know what I mean, the age or whatever. You see me? So me not think Annie have nothing to do with their relationship. Maybe the dog just see her and like her off and decide to move to her.
And then poor Jayden don't want to be caught like she with her tongue. Jayden is like, and Jabbas, I love Jabbas, but I don't know what Jabbas is babying Annie about. I didn't cry, y'all, baby. I didn't cry. Yes. Oh, me don't want about the kind of courage. I didn't make ring on this, that. Come on, Jabbas. You see it through Annie. You know Annie I try to play games. And he's a con artist. And he's a con artist.
Where the foxy, remember make 3 fireworks. People who can make 3 fireworks or a puss or a flow jet in the gift gallery, please. We're stuck, we now move. May I make 3 fireworks or a puss, I will just wrap it up. I'ma go back and play a match. May I make fireworks or puss, or give me the money gun them in the live goal. Something have to happen. Nothing now come in.
Yes.
I just feel talking. Me's a big attorney now. If me I do people business, I want to earn. Can you see them I go class me, them I go bring me down. When me depressed, I want buy anti-medication. Anti-depression meds. When them depress me. Okay? So I can't do this. I don't see. I know so much people and they me up now. I need depression meds. So now if you send me the local money gun, then I beg 3 fireworks. I beg 2 local things. There's nothing now more talk back over here.
Born fighter, you're talking the truth. Exactly what I'm saying. And you want Mika.
Foxy, intermission.
Okay.
Okay, Foxy, love you, baby. I like your energy. Intermission, I'm begging.
Okay.
Thank you, no. Let them run. Make 400 of them go on. I mean, now get no. You know what, here Foxy bus it and not even 2 local money gun. Or some, you know, long me I beg the 3 galaxy, me I beg a puss, me I beg fireworks. Me I beg 3 fireworks, me I beg a flying jet. Mute. Or a 5 seconds mute. I beg right here now. Intermission. Some people can't go on because nothing now go on here. Pay people business and nothing. If I talk people business and hunger kill me. I bring on one the people them bring me down. What do you mean me no good? You know what the people them say me everybody business and not get no, it not gonna work. A blood clot. It won't work. That them gonna say. Me everybody business and not get nothing. Me not solicit them limits Anna. It's not gonna work. It can't work. It's 2 200 of them gone, they make some more go on. Bring it down to 800 people. If me have so much people and can't get nothing, it don't make no sense. Me and everybody else not same thing. Me beg for a living. So when me I do people business, me I beg. One hand I wash the next. Mute loyal too. You know, hear myself mute the conversation in my chat. Loyal, you gotta get a mute for 5 seconds, you know. You notice how long we break now, not even 2 money gonna come in. Go! Thank you. Hush Foxy, maybe make your boss your gun, but I have to get something. This can't work. You kiss your teeth on a black Nicole. Nicole kiss her teeth, black her, make me black her myself. You all are black, now come back here. Now come back here. Only not even tap the screen, look. Not even the likes are move. Not even tap on our tap. Not even the likes and tap is free. Hey, take a black. Let me see who else kiss them teeth. Not even 100k taps me can't get off so much people. This can't work. So not even tap the screen and taps free. No, go on, man. Go on. We don't look too much and play when it touch hours. I chat with my local people them. When it late and somehow they're there. Cked, thank you, Cked. Yeah, I wanna over here in the mix up and now follow me. When not even follow me, I don't know what over here in a mix up. It's not work. Me not do empty pocket mix up cause my bro, when I broke me not worried, me hungry, I broke me hungry, I'm hungry.
I feel like me didn't want to jump for that girl that while ago. I want to block him so fast for freaking out hard.
Jayden, when I beg you the much see that the money gun them expire. The money gun them expire, I still never get it.
So people, let me know what they think about this whole situation. You know what I mean? Because me not lie with people. You see when friends turn enemies, I wanna do wickedest thing, and on a level, I feel like Roger fi kinda happy for the youth still. You know way me not say I'm not happy about the voice note sound a weird dog, me not lie. So we so reach over to the voice note, we are going to watch some of this.
A wicked man. Ross wicked. Madam go on. After a storm there must be a calm. Maxi, thank you for the rose. Bad Indian, big up. Me not chat nobody business.
So quickly reach 100 so we are begging 100 taps.
See, I'm Kenzie,
and
big
we
up.
can't get 100 taps.
See, I'm Kenzie, big up.
Show
Thank you.
no love, baga.
Them two turbo, but me not problem. Them all.
Yeah.
Get on the black skin and blacks find a real woman. A real woman, we love everything about her. He love every part of my cat, every part of my nice, clean, sweet all. That is what have your feelings. You're a hater and you're fighting me down for my husband. Nothing on Roger I ever want. Nothing. I make it clear and I said, Roger, I see you as a brother. You are nobody. You talking that you're a celebrity? Where? Celebrity where? I stopped shooting for your ass? Well, last you ever see a lion in the universe? You with celebrity. Because you run your mouth and you tell me that you're the celebrity, I stopped gifting your ass. Let me see. Where? Where? Celebrity there where? How the fuck I could be talking to somebody and put you over that person? Are you dumb? Were you fucking me? I put my man over you, so that's why you're mad. Tell your followers you're a hater and you're fighting me down for my husband. And that's the truth. That's the God-living truth. That is the truth. Roger, come and tell the right story. And my husband don't want you because he sees as a wicked, conniving bitch. The same mouth that say yes is the same mouth that turn on the live and say something else. You said that I lie and tell the people that you let go of me. Roger, you're a fucking liar. When that girl hit me, you were nowhere there. You was at the table and you claim that you did not see when she pushed me. You came after the fight done and you said you didn't see anything. So how the fuck you tell the people you grabbed me by my neck? When did you grab me by my neck, man? When the fuck? When did you grab me by my neck? You was the one who instigated everything. Let me tell West Kingston, my husband did not want us to go to that party. Roger instigated. Roger called me down and told me to come to that party. Roger did that. Roger could have caused the death of me and my husband that night. Let me play back the voice note again. And Roger, because you see me easy, you think you could come and tell lies on my name?
Let me tell you this. If any day you make me feel like some feelings hurt, I feel like say, yeah, this me, I remember feel some type of way. Let me tell you this. I come with 2 buckle of gas. Instead of bike where you love so much, when me use my $1 million buy pussy, I gas it and light it. And that's my mother's life. Remember me tell you that. Just make me, Roger, that feel like say, yeah, make me feel some type of way. I feel like say, yeah, pick some side. I feel like say, you can style me. I'ma show you my level of craziness. Yeah? Just ramp with me. I'ma show you. You think them crazy yet? You think none of them crazy yet? Ramp with me. I'ma show you my level of crazy. Hey, boy,
so I just don't understand what you mean if he make you feel hurt.
this is straight. I'ma tell you this straight, brother. I'ma tell you this. If any day you make me feel like some feelings hurt, I feel like say, yeah, this me. I remember feel some type of way. I'ma tell you this. I come with 2 buckle of gas. Instead of bike where you love so much, when me use my $1 million buy pussy, I gas it and light it. And that's my mother's life. Remember me tell you that. Just make me, Roger, that feel like say, yeah, make me feel some type of way. I feel like say, yeah, pick some side. I feel like say, you can style me. I'ma show you my level of craziness. Yeah.
Amelia, Ricardo, Montreal,
them make you wait not no while ago. Mr. Papa, you get the
Ivany case now, Tankuna chat. Tankuna, you see now, Ivany case, Ice is very young. So, Ivany, if you just go and look it, and when he reach certain age, she let go the lifestyle. Let me tell you something. Once you pin them young and them a baby and them not understand, you can't transit. But you see when you have big picnic we understand where I go on, them you picnic and some easy picnic them.
Thank you, Bree.
Yeah, man, but it doesn't matter. When the picnic big, the picnic can always use it. Say my mother passed that nah nothing to do with me. But don't do it while them in them right mind and them understand things. Double the chat. Nobody know more money gone. Nobody know more money gone pan the double Nina, thank you, baby. No money gone pan the double chat.
Guys, who the here can use the double, guys?
Chat, use up the double chat.
Chat to the top of your life for me, please and thanks.
Chat, use the double. Alright, Melanin Rose, you have to inbox my good pussy. Inbox me for any advice you need. As long as a relationship advice. Me have that luck, I'm a fuck for my knowledge. Kelly, big up. No boy no ramp with me. Chat me say, me a look for a boy for pass me with 2 lie. See if me can't. Me want a boy trick me and fuck me from where there is the chat. You can't find them. Me go thank you, baby.